Hi, in this video I'll show you how to install PyCharm on Mac. So if you are using Windows or Linux, you can skip this video and go to the video where I show you the PyCharm installation for your particular operating system. So Mac users, previously in the course we used the phony IDE which came bundled with Python. So we didn't have to install Python separately, but for PyCharm this is not the case. So for PyCharm we have to install Python separately and then configure PyCharm to use that particular Python installation. And before we install PyCharm, let's first install Python. So if you have Python, you can use that Python that you have. Otherwise, if you maybe want the latest version of Python, then go over to python.org and go to downloads and download Python using that button there. Wait for the download to complete and double click on that file and follow the installation instructions. So click continue, 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 agree, continue, install. And Python was installed successfully. You can open your terminal to test Python. So we installed Python 3.9.1. Whatever Python you installed, you need to type Python 3.9 in my case. And you should get Python 3.9 launched as it did in my case here. Once you have installed Python successfully, then go to the official PyCharm website, so jetbrains.com/PyCharm, and go over to download PyCharm. There's two versions of PyCharm, the professional and the community version. The community version is great actually, even though the professional version has some advanced features when it comes to working with web apps, building web apps. It's entirely possible to build web apps with a community version, but the professional version gives you some luxurious capabilities of working with HTML and JavaScript and SQL. However, the community version is perfect, and that's the one we're going to use. So download. You should wait a while because PyCharm is around 500 megabytes. Once the file is downloaded, then double click over it and then drag PyCharm to your applications folder. Wait until it copies, and now you should be able to open PyCharm by doing command space and search for PyCharm. If you get this window, then click on open and PyCharm should open up. So close that window. So in my case, it shows some projects here that I built previously. In your case, if it was the first time you installed PyCharm, you shouldn't see any projects here. And that was how to install PyCharm on Mac. To create a project and to configure PyCharm and how to use PyCharm, please see the video on how to use PyCharm in this same section. So see you in that video. Thanks.